Hello all. Today we are talking about healthy brain. Okay. Brain being a vital organ of the body, it will not affect unless and until there's a severe systemic causes are there in the body, which making brain derange violently, and it develops in the form of the warning signs which usually people in this generation ignore. So what are they? First is if the person develops sudden severe headache which make person unbearable. Secondly is a weakness or a numbness of one side, especially the face, arm, leg, especially if it is one side particularly. Third, difficulty in speaking. If the person has a trouble in finding words or trouble in speaking in such cases. Fourth one is a sudden vision changes. If there is a blood vision, double vision, sudden loss of vision. Next, fifth one is a loss of balance. It is a voluntary loss of consciousness. Okay, if the person suddenly falls, suddenly not able to move, in such cases. Now, sixth one is a seizure, means if the person develops any state of loss of consciousness. And seventh one is a confusion or a sudden memory changes, that person not able to remember anything. So as it is being an emergency, it needs an immediate treatment. So in general population there are common causes like stroke, sudden blocking of blood vessels, blockages in a blood vessels. Secondly, it could be in high blood pressure. Third, it could be diabetes, person with high diabetic can develop. Fourth one is a high cholesterol level, patient with a high lipid profile, and a stressful life. Okay, so in such case, because of these causes, people it will lead to hamper the brain functions. Okay, so as it is being an emergency, it require immediate treatment. Okay, so we have to be very fast. We shouldn't ignore be fast word. If the person suddenly develop loss of balance, eye symptoms, face symptom, arm symptom, speech, and we should note the time. So we have to call to the emergency department quickly. We have to keep the person safe and in a comfortable position. We have to note the time at what time the person develops the symptom. We shouldn't give food or drink to the person in such state, and we should move the patient immediately to the hospital. Okay, so as these are emergency, we shouldn't wait and watch for this. We should be very fast in our action. So to avoid such harmful condition, we should have a healthy lifestyle. We should keep eye on regular checkup of BP. We should have a healthy lifestyle. So we should keep eye on these things to avoid unnecessary